So I got a 03 Silverado 2500 with the 6.0 in it. Check engine lights going on. Rough idling, definitely misfiring. It's shaking so much that it's shaking the stream here. I put new plugs, new wires, new coils in it, and it's still acting up. The day I did that, I drove it home, and at first I took it around the parking lot and it wouldn't go more than 30 miles an hour. It was just running terrible. And then shut it off, turn it back on, and sometimes it just runs fine. Also, when I turn it on, sometimes everything goes all crazy on the dash. My service brake system's on. I pulled the fuse for the ABS. That's just low. It's misfiring a little. As soon as the trim starts to get higher up there, yeah, the whole truck starts shaking, obviously. But yeah, my tow haul, yeah, just weird lights come on. Tow haul, I hit the button, doesn't do nothing. My rear light's not on. Airbag's on auto. Just running terrible. Turn it on, off, and then turn it back on again. And now there's nothing. Now it's running smooth. Oh. Then the lights start going all weird. And now she's running rough again. I also replaced the battery. The battery is brand new. See what the trims are at. Yeah. The lights just continue to go crazy. And run rough. All the lights are going off. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Anybody can tell me what's going on? That would be great.